Okay, this is question 3 of our mock exam is bank reconciliation statement. Okay, actually, for during this chapter, okay, we have two ways, okay, to do the bank reconciliation statement. First way is to update the cash book, okay, and then use updated cash book balance. That is our balance carry forward or carry down to update the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, so this is the first rate, and the second rate is update the bank reconciliation statement and then use the updated bank statement balance to update the cash book. Okay, so this question is we have to use the second way, that is update our bank reconciliation statement and then use the updated bank statement balance to update the cash book. Okay, and the other things for you to know is in our cash book account, okay, that is our cash at bank account here. Is increase in debit and decrease in credit. Okay, and for during the BRS, okay, oh sorry, it's a statement, so not the account. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to know which approach that we stated in the previous part, and the second is to determine, okay, which adjustment belongs to cash at bank account, which adjustment belongs to BRS. Okay, so let's see the question. Mr. Wong is the sole owner of a company which sells coffee beans. The bank statement for March 2017 will show a debit balance. Okay, at first I want you to know is if there is a debit balance in our bank statement, it means this one is a negative number. Okay, because in our bank statement we should have credit balance, okay, because credit balance remains to positive number, and it did not agree with the balance shown in the cash at bank account. So okay, we start at this one. Oh, okay. So remember for doing BRS, okay, normally, okay, for the first way, that means when we do cash at bank account first and do the BRS later, we will add the um, presented check, okay, and a less uncredited check. But for the second way, we do a reverse. That means we add uncredited check and less unpresented check. Okay. So let's see. Okay, for adjustment 1, autopay of insurance of 12,000 had not been recorded in the box. And here the box refers to our cash at bank. Okay. Cash at bank accounts. Okay. So the first adjustment should be related to cash at bank. We will do it later. Second, the bank had mistakenly deducted a check for 18,000 from the company bank account. Because it is the bank error, okay, we mistakenly deducted. So we have to add the bank error. This is 18,000. Third, check deposited on the 31st March, amount 34,500 was recorded in the books, but had not been credited by the bank. Okay. So we add this one, 34,500 and 5. For a check of 5,000 had been received from a credit customer, but it was shown on the bank statement as refer to the drawer. No entry has been made in the box. Okay. So related to the box that is cash a bank account. Number 6, check amounting 44,440 had been issued and recorded in the box, but had not been presented. Okay, so this is the unpresented check. Okay. And number 5, bank charges were deducted by the bank, but no entry had been made in the box. Okay. No entry had been made in the box. It gives us a hint that we have to adjust it in the cash at bank account. Okay, number 7. On the 1st of October 2016, 6-month term deposit of 100,000 was made, and the 5% interest was received when matured. On 2nd April 2017, bank credited the principal and interest to the amount of Mr. Wong's business for the term deposit mature. However, Mr. Wong recorded the receipt on 31st March 2017. Okay, it tells us that actually we should do it on the April 2nd, 2017, but we do it earlier. Okay, we do it in March, so we have to adjust it in cash at bank account. Okay, so let's do the calculation. Okay, for Okay, so we have negative 73,766 as our updated balance of bank statement. And the updated balance will becomes the balance carry forward of our cash at bank account. Okay, because it's negative, so usually we will have debit balance, but this time we have to change because it's a negative. So remember, this is a credit balance of our cash at bank account this time because the updated balance is negative number. Okay. Okay, so let's start the other adjustment. First, autopay of insurance. Okay, so insurance 12000 12,000. Second, bank mistakenly deduct a check for 18,000 from the bank account. We have to do it in our bank error. Number 3, we have done it because it's uncredited check. Number 3. Number 4, okay, trade receivable because the check caused some problem. We have recorded before, but actually we can't receive any money from this check. Okay, so we have to less the trade receivable. Okay, number 5, we have did it. Number 6, okay, bank charges. Okay, number 7, we have 2 entries. They are the term deposit 100,000 and the interest. The interest is 10,000. Sorry. $10,000 times 5% because it's a half year. Okay. So we have 25,000, 2,500. Okay, so we can add the total during the balance of the account. Okay. So on the right hand side we have 121,950. So we can find the balance brought forward. We have 48,184. Okay, so that's the answer of question 3.